Hello, learners. I hope all of you are really doing well. So, today we will talk about different parts of speech. Out of multiple parts of speech, we will cover one part of speech, which is noun. 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 Here we will talk about noun, its definition, some examples, and some uh, parts of noun. All right. So जनरली हिंदी में नाउन को संज्ञा कहते हैं, ठीक है। और जिस तरीके से हिंदी में नाउन को संज्ञा कहते हैं तो पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच इंग्लिश में नाउन कहा जाता है। एंड इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस बहुत है। अगर हमें किसी भी सेंटेंस को ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट करना है एंड उसके ग्रामेटिकली एस्पेक्ट्स को जानना है तो उसके लिए हम नाउन पता चलता है। और नाउन से हम डिसाइड करते हैं कि हमें एडजेक्टिव यूज करना है या वर्ब यूज करना और किस जगह पे यूज करना है। सो नाउन की आइडेंटिफिकेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। ये आइडेंटिफिकेशन हमें इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि हम नाउन के अकॉर्डिंग ही कैपिटलाइजेशन का भी ध्यान रखते हैं। सो नाउ लेट्स बिगिन। एज यू आर एबल टू सी कि नाउन पार्ट 1 है पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच का। नाउ सबसे पहले हम सराउंडेड बाय नाउन है। इट्स एवरीवेयर एवरीवेयर। आपको पता है क्यों? डू यू नो व्हाई? एंड डू यू नो हाउ वी आर सराउंडेड बाय नाउन? नाउ जानते हैं कि हाउ वी आर सराउंडेड बाय नाउन। इट इज अ नेम। इट इज अ नेम। ओके। सो नेम यू कैन सी, आपके घर में आपको बहुत सारे नेम्स मिलेंगे, आपके स्कूल में आपको बहुत सारे नेम्स मिलेंगे, आपके नेबर्स में आपको बहुत सारे नेम्स मिलेंगे, राइट। आपके टीचर का भी नेम है, राइट। सो माय नेम इज रिचा सिंह। सो इन दिस सेंटेंस रिचा सिंह इज अ नाउन। रिचा सिंह इज अ नाउन। ओके। सिमिलरली अगर हम देखते हैं व्हाट इज योर नेम, सो राहुल, व्हाट इज योर नेम? पिंकी, what is your name? पारुल। ऑल राइट। सो ऐसे ही जितने भी नेम्स होते हैं उन वो सारे सभी नाउन होते हैं। ओके। नाउ नाउन का सेकेंड पार्ट हम जानते हैं विच इज नेम ऑफ थिंग। नेम ऑफ थिंग। सो वी आर सराउंडेड बाय मल्टीपल थिंग्स। ओके। If you see in the picture, we have a house. So house is a big thing. So house is a big thing. So house will be noun. Now car. हम कार में traveling करते हैं. We travel in a car. So car is also a noun. Now we also talk about multiple things like in my hand, this is a mobile. So mobile is also one of the things. Now, if I talk about some more things, okay. Now, this is a sunglass. This is a sunglass. This is also a thing. So quickly figure out two things which are nearby you. All right, correct. Pen is a thing. Well done. Notebook is a thing. Very nice. Clothes is a thing. Very good. So all of you have understood. So first one was noun is a name. Second one is noun is a thing. Now let's get to know what और किसे किसे noun कहते हैं और कैसे कैसे पहचानते हैं। Now it is a name of the animal. It is the name of the animal. So you are able to see on the screen a very cute little puppy is here, right? Dog, D-O-G, dog. P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. Hmm? We also have zebra, zebra. So किसी भी जानवर का नाम, ओके, जब हम उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर लेते हैं तो वो नाम भी नाउन आता है, ठीक है। बट ऐसा नहीं होगा कि डॉग है, बफेलो है, काव है, जीब्रा है, लायन है, जितने भी एनिमल्स होते हैं वो सभी के नाम, उन सभी के नाम नाउन्स के अंदर में आते हैं, ओके। I hope it is clear to you. Now can you all quickly write 4 animals names in your notebook? 4 animals name in your notebook. Well done. Can you all show? Great. Now I can see leopard. Oh my god, very dangerous animal. Deer, very nice animal. Another one, monkey, very naughty animals. Now another one, quickly, cat. Very good. So all of you have understood. Now let's talk about what is another noun. Now it is also a name of the place. It is also a name of the place. Okay. Now in place, everything comes. For example, I live in home. Okay. This is my room. Room is a place. Kitchen. Kitchen is a place. Okay. So these places. Similarly, जैसे कि स्क्रीन पे भी आपको नाम दिख रहे हैं, इंडिया, इंडिया एक नाम है, किसका नाम है? कंट्री का नाम है, ओके। नाउ न्यू दिल्ली, न्यू दिल्ली किसका नाम है? बेसिकली दिल्ली स्टेट का नाम है। केरला, केरला भी स्टेट का नाम है। बिहार, बिहार भी स्टेट का नाम है। नाउ स्कूल, स्कूल एक प्लेस है जहाँ पे हम पढ़ने जाते हैं। पार्क, पार्क भी एक प्लेस है जहाँ पे हम वॉक करने जाते हैं, जॉग करने जाते हैं, एक्सरसाइज करने जाते हैं। बस स्टैंड, बस स्टैंड भी एक प्लेस है जहाँ पे हम खड़े होके वेट करते हैं बस का। किचन, किचन is also a place where we cook. All right. Similarly, can you also please share 2 places, any 2 places with me? All right. Bathroom, absolutely. Bathroom is a place where we take a bath. Community center, very good. Community center is a place where we all meet and where we all do multiple functions. Park, absolutely correct. So all of you are correct. So now I hope all of you have understood what nouns is. Very good. Let's revise it. Okay. Now if you talk about what is noun. A noun is a word that names something. Okay. A noun is a word that names something such as a person, like my name, your father's name, mother's name, friend's name. Place, like any city's name, any place name where you live, where you go. Okay. Think, anything which is surrounded by you, like clock, watch, clothes, or any idea, like thought, suggestions. This is also one of the things. And there is one more thing which is missing here, that is animal, name of the animals. Now let's see. Name of my friend is Kajal. Okay. In this sentence, Kajal is a name, identified name, which is noun. Nepal is another country. So here Nepal is a name of a place. Okay, so it's another noun. Noun of a place. Horse runs fast. So horse is also a noun because it is a name of a animal. He has likes to write with pen. So this sentence doesn't seem appropriate, right? He has a pen or he likes to write with a pen. Okay. So here pen is one of the objects which is a thing. I want to go to home for eating. Home is also a noun. He has a car. He has a car. Well done. Now I hope it is clear to all of you. Now we'll see how much you are able to understand. I'll ask you some of the questions and I'll ask you to identify which type of noun is that. All right. Now I'll spin it up. And you have to identify which noun is that. Peter. Now tell me which noun is that? Peter. Which noun is that? Very good. It's a name. Now another one. Let's see which one is it quickly. Shyam. Tell me, quickly identify which noun is that. It's a name. Very good. Now another one. Quickly, quickly, let's see if you are able to identify this or not. Oh my gosh, Sham again came. So it's a name. Let's remove Sham from here and Mumbai from here. Now let's spin. Notebook. Notebook. Tell me, is it an animal, thing, place, or a name? Very good, it's a thing. Very nice. Now let's identify another one. Cup. What is it? Tell me. Cup is a thing. Very good. So cup is also a noun. Now we are left with two. Lion. Right. It's an animal. Now last but not the least. It's only single one. Now guess what is it? It's a name, place, thing, or what? Absolutely. Peter is a name. So well done, everyone. Hope all of you have learned it really well. Do exercise, which I have guided you to do. All right. And don't forget to meet in next class and to watch another video of it so that you get to know kinds of noun. So right now today we have learned what is noun, and next time we are going to learn parts of noun. Okay. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and learn the grammar content easily.